Hello everyone, and today we're gonna dive into the Bitcoin chart. What's going on and where's the catch which smart money prepared for us. On the 4-hour time frame, previously Bitcoin hit the support level at 75k and also made a false break of the support level at 75k and also made a false break of this specific liquidity level, which means that smart money grabbed the liquidity below this level and below this level. On top of that, Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame caught the oversold area on the RSI. It also increases the probability of a swing reversal from current price. Relying on these facts, I might be expecting a continuation of the bounce toward the upside, to be precise, to 77k right here to this specific resistance level. It is the closest and more or less significant level. Bitcoin also broke below 77k as a support level, but hasn't touched this level as a resistance level, which means that if this level looks like a brand new one. On the 1-hour time frame, the resistance area at 77k is the first level where we can see a bounce if Bitcoin hit this specific resistance level. But with this level, I want to work this way because it is the closest resistance level. It's not a strong level, despite the fact that the price broke this level to the downside but hasn't touched it as a resistance. I want to fire a short trade on a false break right here, which means if Bitcoin crosses the level from below to above right here and from the above to below right here, at the momentum of crossing the resistance back right here, I want to be firing a short trade here. But if Bitcoin cross this level above the resistance but doesn't cross it back right here, and the Bitcoin will go right here, I will be firing a short trade at the other specific resistance area at the 79.80k, because the price also broke below this key support level but hasn't touched this level as resistance too. The main advantage of the 79.80k resistance area compared to the closest resistance level at 77k is that it's more significant, strong and round level because it is 80k. Overall, now we realize where the entry point exists. It's right here on the false break at the specific resistance level at the 77k, or at the bounce at the specific resistance area at 79.80k. But what will be if Bitcoin start decreasing from the current price toward the downside? What will be in these specific situations? I think everyone understands that the oversold area, especially on the 4-hour time frame, is not the area where someone should short, of course. Relying on these factors, I do not want to short from the current price. I want to short only at the specific levels which I told you previously. And also now I do not see an entry point right here. Right now I'm waiting for a reasonable picture, and I see a support level which has been confirmed several times in history. It is a specific support level at 72k right here and here, and also I see now the specific support level at 72k where I will be firing a long position. To be precise, it is the support area at 72.5k. It is this specific support level. Hence, overall, I want to say it again. If Bitcoin hits the resistance area at 77k and makes a false break, I will be firing a short trade right here. If Bitcoin hit the resistance at 79.80k right here, I will be firing a short trade right here also. If Bitcoin hit the specific support level at 72.5k, I will be expecting a bounce and I will be firing a long trade right here also. This was just my take, my view, no financial advice. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys later. Thank you. Bye bye.